y'all, this is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to have my completions for the month of September. This is the first time that I have done this, so I'm going to add a new playlist, and I plan on doing this going forward monthly. Even if I don't have a finish, I will have works in progress, so I'm going to show you that as well. So the first two that I have are bookmarks. And I do have the tassels. They keep coming off. I got to figure out how the best way to actually adhere those because even just tying them on there, they keep falling off. But I do like these. And I do have a video for the completion on those as well as on this one. Came from Everyday E-Deals. And I love the bicycle. I think that turned out really cute. I will put underneath the description the playlist so you can look at that. And then also I completed 11 of these little dog paint gems. And there are 5 more, and then I'll have this set completed. But this is Doggies from Paint Gem. And if you're interested in some of their small little canvases, it does come in a set. You can use my code below if you would like to save 10%. And that will help you save a little bit of money. They are really good quality. I have not done a completion review on these, but I do have unboxings for Paint Gems as well as the Doggies. So I have several of these. And I am going to put these in a small binder. And so I'll do that on video as well once I complete all of the actual kit from this. And then I'll also kit down. But I think these turned out really cute. They are small. They're easy to just sit and do within like 45 minutes or so. I can't decide if I'm going to count each one of these separate as a completion, and this one's my favorite, this little Yorkie, as one of my completions or as one. I just can't decide how I'm going to count these as my completions for the year. I may go ahead and count each one since I work on so many large canvases. I think it will even out that way. And then this one is the Loon by Cherokee. This is from Die Moon Shop. I also have a video on this one on the completion as well as the kitting up. This turned out really well. I am very pleased with it. I'm going to put this in one of my portfolios, and I think that this will be a nice added piece. So these are the ones that I've completed, and let me show you what I am working on still. Okay, this one is Cauldron of Myrrh. This is the one I've been working on since September the 1st, and it's for Drills and Chills as well as Festival of Witches. I have gotten quite a bit done. I have just these 2 rows left to do, so I'm about halfway there. And this is the one I've been working on during my WIP chats. I love how it's coming out. The only issue that I'm having, and I'm a little disappointed in this, is that on her arm so far, if you can see the little opening there, and then also there's another little area up at the top you can't see, but I ran out of drills already on that color. So instead of contacting Diamond Art Club immediately, I'm going to wait until I get everything finished or close to finishing and seeing exactly what I need and seeing if there's any other colors that I might be out of. But I looked in my stash. I have this color, but it is a distinctively different dye color than what this is. And so it's really going to stick out, especially on her arm. So I'm going to have to just get those from Diamond Art Club. Hopefully it won't take very long, and hopefully I won't be out of anything else. So if you're working on this one, let me know if you ran out as well or if you had plenty. When I saw the bag of drills, there weren't hardly any in there. And so I knew that I would probably have a problem, and I did. So I will do a completion review once this is done, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But again, I'm really enjoying this one. It is so fun. It's going quickly, and so it shouldn't take me that long. So I'm gonna just scoot this one over. I'm having to film in my dining room because I have more space in here. The next one that I'm working on, and I'll be working on this one absolutely forever. This is my Heaven and Earth design, my cross stitch conversion. This is all that I've gotten done. And this is how long that this is. Now keep in mind, I have 8 of these suckers that I have to do. So I may not ever get this finished. I don't know what I was thinking on the size, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because it's gonna be way too big, I think, to do anything with. But I am enjoying it. Doesn't look like much yet because this part here, this is the outside of the bookshelf that it's on. It's called A Stitch in Time, and I do have a playlist on that one. If you can see, I am using Pattern Keeper. You probably be able to see that. I haven't stitched anything today, but I have stitched 1,477 drills. So I put 1,477 drills down already. And I only have hang on a minute, sorry. There are 375,550. Only 375,550 drills. That's going to be eventually on this. And so I'm not even at the 1% mark yet. So I have not spent much time on this. I am really, really enjoying it. Every moment did really well and with helping me with this. I do appreciate it. Great customer service. And their drills are really good. I love this canvas. I will definitely order something else from them again. It's not going to be a conversion, I don't think, because this one will be one that I will probably never finish in my lifetime. I might, and I hope that I do. But this is what it looks like for those of you that have asked. That's on for Pattern Keeper. Once you complete a section on Pattern Keeper, then it's going to color it in once you show that you're done with it. So let me show you. I'm gonna try to blow this up some. Okay, so I'm working on the 2 at the top that I have covered, but once you click on a particular symbol, you complete it, then you can just mark it off, and then it will change the color. So the next one I'm gonna work on is 938, and then you just mark those off. I'm doing this right now in rows of 3. I'm hoping that it can pick up speed, but on this, it is very confetti heavy, as you can see from the symbols on here. I don't even have to worry about the symbols. All I have to do is just look at the number and then put those down. So I am really enjoying this process. I will do another one that I had purchased right before this one, and that's from Jaded's Gem Shop, and it's actually a princess, but I don't know when I'm going to start on that one, but I am definitely enjoying this. So any of you that are on the fence about cross-stitch conversion, I do recommend it. You may just want to watch on the size because I just went a little crazy. So let me put this over here, and I want to show you something else. I was going to kit this up and have a video for it, and I did not. I woke up in the middle of the night one night, could not sleep, so I just sat there and I decided to kit up, and I didn't want to wake up everybody, so I did not record this. This is absolutely huge. I've got most of this on camera here. This one is House on the Cliff. It is new from Diamond Art Club. It's one of the ones that came in the mystery box. I actually traded one of mine for this one, and this one is humongous. It is the biggest one that I will have completed. It is even larger than my Josephine wall, or I'm pretty sure I know it is. So this one is a 98 centimeter by 70 centimeters, and it has 62 colors. And there's going to be some color blocking, so that's going to be very nice. But it's also going to have some confetti. It is a square canvas, and I am just really excited about this one. This is Image World, and I really like their actual renderings. I have a couple of theirs. I am going to be doing this for Big Bold Beautiful DP event, and that one is not required to be finished, thank goodness. It starts October 1st and it's going to end the end of November, so I will be doing some of this. I'm not exactly sure how much I'll get done. Hopefully I will get at least half of this done, but who knows. I just have so many things that I want to do, and I wasn't going to do this, and I kept going back and forth, and then I thought, you know, I might as well. It looks like fun. I want to participate. It's a good way to start this one. I have not seen anybody that has started this one yet, and that's another exciting thing for me, is that I haven't seen it, so I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know anything about it, and I'm hoping that it will stay that way for a little bit. But it is an absolute gorgeous rendering. I actually have a wall that this would fit on. And so I may end up somehow having this thing framed. I may even try to see if my husband can build me a frame. We'll see. But first I've got to finish it, and no telling when that's going to be. But it does have ABs in here. I'll be adding more ABs. And I'm just really excited to get started on this one. I was really, really glad that I found someone that was more than willing to trade. And so we did a trade. It worked out very well. The only problem when you have a trade is with Diamond Art Club, and I'm sure with any other company, is it voids their warranty. So if I'm missing any drills on here, if anything happens to this canvas, I am on my own. I will not be able to get the drills. I'll have to pay for them myself, order them from somewhere else, and I'm okay with that. I just hope that I don't run out of drills like I already have on the one I'm working on now on Cauldron of Myrrh. And if I do, then it is what it is. But I'm excited to show you my progress on this one. And then I have my Diana, which is Diamond Painting Deutschland. I'm going to do a separate video on that one because I have a playlist for Diamond Painting Deutschland for Diana. So I'm going to do that one. You will see that one a day after this one comes out. So I hope that you do enjoy this one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my progress. And for me, this is really a really good month because I usually do not get this much done. So I'm extremely pleased with what I've gotten done so far. So let's bring on October and let's see what I can do from there. Thanks so much, everybody, and keep on diamond painting. Bye.